Hello guys, this is the next video about Kotlin functions. But this video we are going to compare Java function with Kotlin function. What are the advantages we have in Kotlin functions other than Java functions? So if you didn't see my last video of higher order functions, don't miss to see it because this is a continuation of the most. If you didn't see those videos, you can't understand this one. So this one we covered in our last videos. So mostly we have a function, Kotlin function, and we are passing the function as a parameter to another function, and we are getting a return type of function as a return type from one function. Okay, so we are going to try this one in Kotlin Java. So I created one function, and I'm going to create another one function with public string add int a comma int b. Okay, so return also will change to int. I'm just returning, this is for example, no, just I am showing you. So let's try like Kotlin. Let's try we can do something like that. See, it won't accept also because this is we can't do that in Java actually. So that is a major advantage of Kotlin. And another one major advantage we didn't cover in last video was Kotlin. We can create a inner function in Kotlin as well as we created here add printout. So we have a function called adder, and we have a three function like this. So I'm just cut this three function and I paste this one here. If it will work as expected, because in Kotlin we can create function inside another one function, but it can't be possible in Java. So for example, it's the keyword itself we can't create. Public int, so this is the one function. Let's say it's expected something something something. So if I sub, we don't, it's taking this as a variable, it's not taking this as this one. If void, so it's not local variable sub, so it is not even accepting this. So Java we can't create inner functions, but in Kotlin we can create inner function. Other than this, in Kotlin we have a inline functions, cross functions. Inline function is doesn't not a big deal. It's like it will directly run in a compiler version. It took less memory to run because it is directly running. It's like a static one, not through any class or not through any instance of thing. It will directly process in a compiler. That's what the inline function. And quite actually in Java function we don't have nothing. If you work with Kotlin and you back to Java, means you don't like Java. That's for sure. It's not don't like Java. You have lot of difficulties to write programs, because here only one function we can do this, and we can return type of some data types. That's what we can do here. But this is much more depth in function. In function itself we have a lot of variety of functions. If you want more detail about comparing Java and Kotlin, means just let me know in comments. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.